What? What do you mean it's not flatback? It's IKEA. Hi, I'm Marta and this is NotEnoughTECH, and today we're gonna take a look at IKEA meatballs, home automation system, smart home lightings, Trådfri, however you want to pronounce it. So in December I've heard the news about Xiaomi partnering up with IKEA, which means that the IKEA device is going to be available in China via Mi Home. And that's awesome because I already have a Mi Home devices in here, and you can read about it more in the description too. In this video we're going to just focus on the IKEA devices and what you can actually do with it. So I got myself a Trådfri motion sensor kit, dimmer kit, also a switch. Well, some of them actually work without gateway, so let's handle this one. Useless. So let's start with gateless operation, and then we're gonna focus on what you can do actually if you have a gateway. Behind me you can see a plain lamp. It's a very dumb lamp, it doesn't do anything special, however now it has an IKEA light bulb in it. The light bulb isn't anything special either, it just do the dimming and that's it, doesn't change any color. So I got myself a dimming set, which is just a disc cradle and black dimming here. The dimming responds to motion sensor, so as soon as you're gonna use it, I can start controlling this with this. And this is magnetic, which means it can be placed anywhere you want on the device, and it's linked to the light bulb already. So link this, all you have to do is just reset the light bulb, open this up and hold it for 10 seconds near the light bulb, and the light bulb is going to be linked. So how the dimming kit works, it's very simple. If you twist it quickly, it's going to be better if it's not on a metal surface. If you twist it quickly, I can show you like that on the how, it will turn the light off. You just have to do it quickly enough. If you do it other way around, the clockwise, it will put it at 100% brightness. If you do it slowly, you get the gradual control over dimming. Simple as that. You've got a magnetic cradle to put your dimming kit anywhere you want. It is sensible to twist, so that's quite responsive, as you can see. It does not operate very well on vertical surfaces. You can make it work, but it's not as sensitive as on the horizontal surfaces. So that's everything you need to know. And one more thing is, you can pair without a gateway, you can only pair a single controller to a single light, and that's going to be the case for every single controller. You cannot pair more than one light without a gateway. I've got it linked to the switch now, and the switch allows for the following operations. You can obviously toggle the device on and off by using the middle button. You've got the brightness buttons as well, so I can increase and decrease brightness. And I have presets. Now, these presets work when the light bulb supports different colors. This one doesn't. Now, I was encouraged by the app itself, because when I used it with the hub I could see that you can preset some settings. However, that's not the case. Even if you use the hub, your bulb has to support wall macros and call the colors, call the whites, in order to change the presets. If you create the presets within the app itself, you won't be able to toggle it with the switch, unfortunately. So the operation is quite simple. The button itself, the switch itself, it's magnetic. It's not strong enough to be placed as you could see that with the dimmer, but it has a magnetic base which can be used to attach this everywhere. And like I said, the same instructions, just hold it for 10 seconds near the light bulb to link it. You can pair it only to a single light bulb. Moving on, let's go and hook it up to the motion sensor. Now I have to be very careful, because as soon as I'm gonna move, the motion sensor will turn the lights on and off. That's the motion sensor. It can be attached to a wall via screw or via M3 pad. And behind, on the back cover, where there is a very handy plate, you can see a couple of different switches. You can set it to operate during the day and or night, and you can send the timeout before the light will turn off. Now if I won't move for 1 minute, the light will turn off automatically and will wait for the motion sensor to activate again before you can turn the light on. Now linking is a very similar process. All you have to do is just to hold it next to the light bulb for 10 seconds and that's going to be linked. Maximum timeout is 10 minutes as described on the back, and unlike other devices, this one takes 2 batteries. So that's the motion sensor. It has a good range and quite good sensitivity, responds quickly too. So I can demonstrate again, try to do it very gentle. Now I'm gonna move the hand. As soon as there's a little bit of quicker motion, it will be easily detected. So that's the gateway-less operation. Now, what can you do if you actually have a gateway? Just look at this magic directly from Sweden. Thanks to motion sensor technology, I was able to turn the both lights on, because one IKEA is in the top and one IKEA light bulb is in the lamp, which you can see on the left hand side. Now, there is more than one way to skin the cat, so... And of course it works, because why not? So I can turn it on and off using the button. In addition to this, I've got dimming, so now I can dim the lights. And I would have also color control, so I could change from the warm white to a cold white. However, my light bulbs don't support it. Now well, I guess there is a last device that I want to control, and that's a dimming switch. And that's the dimmer switch. Apart from the nice magnetic case, it can be placed anywhere around on the magnetic surfaces, so you wouldn't lose it. Now it controls both lights at the same time as with the previous controllers, and if you turn it quickly, it will disable the lights, or if you turn it quickly all the way around, it will put the brightness at 100%. Now if you do it slowly, you'll see the gradual control of the brightness of both lights. So welcome to the troubleshooting. I'm going to show you how to reset all the items to make it and how to pair it. So dimmer, just twist the back, pop it over, got silver button and a red light in here, press it 4 times quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. And it's going to reset. Now before you're going to start doing anything, give it 10 seconds and then you'll be able to connect it to another device. So that's done. Let's take a look at the switch. Open it up. You're gonna need a sharp tool or something. Just pop the cover open. Don't worry, use a bit of a force. Again, there is a button in here and there is a LED hidden underneath the switch. So press it 4 times and you'll see the light. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is a light in here. And that's right now reset and is ready for pairing. Like I said, give it about 10 seconds. Sensor. Remove the back cover, it's just a latch. You're gonna see the reset button in here, and there is a LED that's here. So press it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see LED in here. Indicates reset has been completed. Now the most controversial one is the light bulb itself. There's a couple of guides how to do it. I found the easiest way is to switch it off, switch it on, and then toggle it 6 times in this speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that flicker, the tiny little bit flicker you just noticed, that was the reset. So the light bulb is ready to pair. All you have to do is just to hold it close to the light for 10 seconds. So turn off the light, turn on the light, hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the changes in the light means that the actually pairing is processed and everything just has been completed. Right now this switch is paired to this and you can toggle it. Excellent. Now let's discard this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Light as well by switching 6 times. And the flicker. So hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can see already it's pairing, and once it blinks you can let it go. If you have a problem with the dimmer, just reset it again, turn off the light bulb, turn the light bulb on and press it for 10 seconds. And that has been paired. What I've got in here is a hub, which is connected via cables, and you can see how that works out. I wish it was so wireless like the Xiaomi hub. So let's focus on the hub and 3 different sensors or devices I've got. So, hub takes a lot of space. It's actually that big. First, what you have to do is just open the app and link it. You're gonna find this on the back of the device, so all you have to do is just flip it and scan the code at the back, and after a while it's all linked, and it will ask you to actually connect one of the devices. So let's start with the dimmer. I'm gonna select the dimmer. What you have to do is just open it, so remove it from the cover, you just twist it, press 4 times to reset it very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it will blink. Now allow 10 seconds, otherwise you might have a problem, so linking it, and I discovered this before. So once it goes to the pairing screen, it looks like this, and it will basically look for the device. So allow about 10 seconds before you start pairing, and by pairing what I mean is move it close, press it for 10 seconds or more depending on what you're gonna see in the screen. Now the device is not connecting, and it's not connecting because I had this problem before, and it took me a while to kind of understand what's going on. What worked basically is just power it down, because I just did the fresh installation on mobile as well. Power it down, reconnect it, and then same, force close the app. Okay, it's connected, so let's add the wireless switch dimmer. So open the app, reset it on, and 10 seconds, hold it close. So press it. And once you see the light, it's gonna connect properly. Okay, device found, and you can let it go. As soon as you see this, you can let it go. It's setting up the device right now, so you don't have to do anything. Let's connect another device. So what we have remote control. So same, open app. Probably want to have a pocket knife or something, just to lift this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna see reset button. And it's done, and we are ready to go and connect. So wait a couple of seconds, and then press it for 10 seconds until you see the prompt on the screen. You can see the light in here right now, it's gonna link. And that's it. You can let that go, and it's gonna be added in a second. Motion sensor. So select motion sensor next, and in the same way, just reset it first. 4 times, button in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's resetting it. Let's go next, and it's going to be looking at it. Give it a couple of seconds after the reset, and then press it to connect. Yeah, there is a light, which means there is a connectivity, and it will connect. Yeah, that's done. It's going to be there in a second. So I can just get that. So now that we have everything linked, you'll notice in application that we're going to have 3 rooms when we want to add the bulb. So let's go to the, I'll do it later, and done. Continue, and we have room. Do we have all devices linked? Yes, we do. There's 3, and we have a dimmer, we have a control, and we have a room too. First I have to add the device, so just add. We're going to go to bulb, next, and I'm gonna use dimmer, next, and we have to go near the bulb, hold it for 10 seconds. Do not reset it at this point, do not reset it. So I've got dimmer ready, and now you should see the light fluctuating. So I'm gonna put it there inside, next to the bulb, and then press it down. As you can see, the light is dimming. This is not a camera. And we have a confirmation on the screen that the light is connected. As you can see, both lights has been assigned to the same room now with the same controller. Now I can use it to dim it. Now you know what IKEA is capable of. Now, would I recommend it? No. Why? There's a couple of issues with actual IKEA devices, and it's not operational issues. All the devices work as intended. The architecture, however, it's much different from what you would expect from Xiaomi Mi Home, and integrating it with other systems, you're gonna find it lacking. Now, it's okay if that's all the use you need. Couple of switches, Google Home and Amazon Echo integration. If that's all you need, that's great. But if you want to integrate it with other systems like Home Assistant, Node-RED, etc., don't get it. There's gonna be an entire video explaining the differences between Xiaomi Hub and IKEA Hub, and what should you expect from IKEA devices and what IKEA devices cannot do. And yeah, I'm slightly disappointed because buying IKEA Hub makes very little sense right now. But that's subject for another video. So if you want to know when the next video is gonna be released, subscribe to my social media and you're gonna get notified. As for now guys, thank you so much for watching, enjoy the automation, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Take care.